Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have discussed about how we will create table of contents. Okay. Now today we will discuss some topic such as adding a table, protecting against manual changes, changing the number of levels, assigning custom styles, etc. So first, adding a title. How we will add a title? First, we will click on the Open Office Writer. So Open Office Writer window will appear on your screen. So here is the table of contents. Here is the contents. Here you can see contents is written here. If you want to change the topic of contents, first click on the right mouse button, click on the edit index table. So the window of insert index table will appear. Here you can change the title of contents. Suppose we want to write TAB edit table of contents. Okay. Now when I will click on OK, it will appear on the table of contents. It will appear on the top of the contents. Okay. Now next thing is protecting against manual changes. What happens if you want to delete any text using delete or backspace key? We can't delete. Okay, we can't delete. So for this, click on edit index table. Here, here is the protected against manual changes button appears. You can disable this by click on the tick button. Now apply OK. Now you can delete any text here. See this. Okay. Now again right click, click on the edit index table. Now enable this and click OK. Okay. Now next is changing the number of levels. Right click, edit index table. Here you can see that you can change the number of levels. Here is you can increase or you can decrease. You can increase or you can decrease here by clicking the button. Okay. So the level will be changed. Okay. Now next is assigning custom styles. Here is some styles. Here is the additional style. If you will click on the additional style, click and click here some dot 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 type of box. Some style will appear in your screen. You can select any style. Okay. So the table of contents will change according to the styles. Okay. Here you can see. Next is here is columns and background tab. In the columns tab, you can select column. If you want to 2 column, if you want 3 columns, your table of contents appear in 3 columns. You can click on 3 columns, or you can click on 2 columns or 4 columns, etc. Okay. Now click this, apply OK. Here you can see the table of contents divided into 2 columns. Okay. Now again go to the index table. Now click on single column. Now in the background, you can change the color of your background. Suppose we are selecting yellow color. Okay. Okay. Here you can see. Now next is there is an entry tab. In the entry tab, here index table, entries tab. You will see here there are levels, 10 levels. and there are some structure. Here you can see that there are some structure E hash, E, T hash. All the buttons have some meanings. I will show you. E hash button represents the chapter number. E button represents the entry text. T button represents the tab stop. Hash button represents the page number. LS button represents the start of a hyperlink. LE button represents the end of a hyperlink. Okay. Now you can also delete the elements. You can delete the elements by pressing here. Okay. Or you can adding elements. Okay. Now how we will apply hyperlink here. First, follow the instructions. On the structure line, place your cursor in the white field to the left of the ES. Here, here. First step is click on the left side of the ES button. Now second is click hyperlink button. Now click hyperlink button. Here LS button will appear. Here LS button appears. Now next is on the structure line, place your cursor in the white field of the right of the E button. White field of the right of the E button here. Now, and next is click the hyperlink button. Okay. Here you can see LE will appear, means starting of hyperlink. Okay. Sorry, it is the end of the hyperlink. Okay. Okay. Now click OK. Now click OK. You will see chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 subchapter are appear as a hyperlink. Okay. Now you can click in this chapter 1. You will go to the chapter 1. Again click on the chapter 2. You will directly go to the chapter 2. Okay. Next is maintaining a table of contents. There are three options. First is editing a table of contents. Second is update a table of contents. And third is deleting a table of contents. Okay. Here click right click of the mouse button. You will see there are three options: update index table, edit index table, and delete index table. Okay. You can update by clicking this update index table option. You can delete this table of content by clicking delete index table, and the process of edit index table is same as you did earlier. Okay.